Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of Instagram app not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now, first of all, where should we download and install the Instagram app from? Search the Microsoft Store and open the Microsoft Store. Search for Instagram and hit enter. Go to Instagram. Click on install. This is where you will install the Instagram app from. If you have installed it from any other location or you are using a progressive web app, I will suggest you to uninstall it and reinstall it from here. Now, once it is installed, we will wait for it to be installed, and then I'll show you what to do if it still doesn't work after it is installed. Now, once it is installed, search for Instagram in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. While it may not work normally, it may work as an administrator. Other than that, you can try the following solutions. Search for Instagram. Okay, click on App Settings in the right pane. Scroll down, click on Terminate, then repair it. Wait till you get a tick mark here, then reset it. Wait till you get a tick mark here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.